Flower folks, welcome to Share Inspirations. In today's video, we are going to be talking about a plant called Forget-Me-Not. And this is a annual variety here for me. The seeds were purchased from the Dollar Tree. Something to keep in mind is there's a few different varieties of this. One I believe called scorpion grass that grows up north very easily, almost to an invasive scale. This one in particular, I have actually shown the growth of this. Today I wanted to show you how I direct sow. The botanical name, as you can tell, here it says annual firmament. There's also one called Chinese Forget-Me-Not that you can put in your cutting garden. The length of these is anywhere from 1 to 2 feet. The last year when I grew these, they were about 18 inches for me, and they are not a cut and come again type of plant. So what I try and do is I try and go ahead and succession sow this, meaning every 2 to 3 weeks gap I plant an entire seed packet in an area where it's partial sun or partial shade. Either way, if it gets about 4 to 6 hours of sun, it's good. And these things can be grown in full shade. However, I've noticed that they don't flower as well in full shade as they do in part shade. So, and again, as I said, they are not cut and come again, so you want to sow them in successions every 3 weeks apart. Also, the blooming season is from March all the way till June, when the heat of summer settles in. They do not like the 100+ degrees where I am. I am in the high desert of Southern California, zone 8B. The temperatures in the summer here reach to around 110, 115 on a regular for the 3 months in summer, so the plants die down. However, if you are in northern climates, you can sow this in spring. If you are anywhere zone 6 and beyond, you can sow this in the last week of October, all the way from September all the way till end of October, or succession planted like I am. And then, as I said, if you are zone 6 and below, then you can go ahead and start the seed outdoors in the spring. I personally like direct sowing more than starting seed indoors. I find that the winter sowing methods and the jugs and stuff, I have to baby them, and I don't find that worth it. So this is what the seeds look like. The germination rate on these is about 70%. The fresher your seed, the better they're going to germinate. This seed I acquired this year, and the expiration date on it is 2019. So since we are nearing the end, this is how many seeds that come out of the packet, and I'm going to sow the entire packet. What I've done is I've just basically taken a weeding tool. This is normally used as a weeding tool, and just made a line that's about 1/2 inch. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and just sow these. And I like to thickly sow them, so that way they can, whatever doesn't germinate, it's not going to just take room until something comes up. So out of, say, 100 seeds, 70 are going to come up. And because they are not a cut and come again, as soon as I make a cut, then that's it. It's kind of like deadheading the plant. Always remember to go ahead and do your tagging of the plant. We are direct fall sowing the cut flowers. These make a great addition in memorial gardens, in cutting gardens, in a cottage garden or a foresty garden area. They are not fragrant. However, the vase life is anywhere from 5 to 7 days. I'll go ahead and link the 2 videos that I have made prior to, one where I'm showing how to make an arrangement using calendula and Forget-Me-Not, and the other putting, basically sharing the growth and results grown from seed. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.